Hello, I'm Everett, and welcome to Cooking with Everett. Now, the first episode of Cooking with Everett will not be cooking, but I want a smoothie, and my parents are at home, so I'm going to make one, which is a really bad idea. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is get some ingredients. So let's get those ingredients. Okay, guys, so I found some strawberries. There's some bananas over there. And, I'm thinking maybe to add a little spice. Can add in some strawberry yogurt. No, that's not going to do it for me. Do we have blueberry? I don't want too much strawberry in there. Well, guys, I guess we'll just have to do the next best thing. Chocolate. Okay, so my family doesn't have chocolate syrup anymore for some reason, so we're going to do the next best thing. Forget that ever happened and make a strawberry banana smoothie. Okay, so the first step is to fill up this thing with a bit of ice. I'll tell you guys when I'm going to stop. Right now. Only a little bit of ice in there. Yeah, the next step. I gotta add water. Alright. Now I got our ice and water mixture. Now, I'll start blending. Chuck our cap on and let's plug her in real quick. Alright, now we're gonna send her, turn her on, there we go, we're on. We're gonna send her to a mix. Alright, we made slush. It's not what we want. We need to add more water, I think. Maybe. Oh, let's hope. Alright, so I added more water, and I'm going to set it to the top. Oh, yeah, that's doing it. Alright, there, we're off. Now we're going to take a banana here. Chuck our little friend, Mr. Banana, in. Turn her back on. Mix that up in there. Alright, now we got the banana smoothie. Now I gotta add the strawberry part. So we're gonna take some of our strawberries here. And I'll have to prepare these strawberries to be Alright, so to prepare our strawberries, just gonna cut the tops off of them. Like that. Alright, now we're gonna we're gonna dip them in some water. I'll wash them. Alright, so that one's finished. That one's finished. That one's finished. That one's finished. Now we're gonna pour our strawberries in there. Alright, and turn her back on. Time for round 2. There we go. Might need a bit more. Yeah. Really grinds it up, makes it nice and smooth. And now, for our final ingredient, gotta add a little milk there. So it's a little bit less smooth. A little bit more smoothie. Just mix that up in there. Alright. Now we got our strawberry banana. We gotta add a little something in there. Because I am too lazy. Oh, wait a minute. I know what to add. I got some of this stuff. It's like chocolate, but for working out. Okay. I'm sure this much will do. I don't know if this is like supplements or something that I'm not supposed to be eating. Well, yeah. My dad has it in his smoothie, so now we get it chocolatey. And now at this point in time, it's done. Simple as that. Thank you all for watching Cooking with Everett. I'm your host, Everett, and I'll see you all for our next video. Now I have to do the taste test part. Alright guys, so here's the taste test. It's not bad, actually. I don't think the chocolate powder was a good idea, though. Something about it just isn't right. It's not as fruity as I wanted it. But, you know, I'd say it's a success overall. But I'm going to keep working on this and to see if I can perfect it. Because our first cup was not as good as I was hoping. Call this one Fruity Delight. I added some cantaloupe. So, yeah. I'm going to add some more strawberries to get more strawberry flavor. And yeah, I think it'll be done. So this is the segment I like to call the final product. So this is the final product. I'm going to drink it. And we're going to see if it's good or not. All right, here we go. Oh, that's good. Definitely would recommend trying this out at home. I've got plenty more to drink, so that's nice. I'm going to put that in the fridge. These strawberries, cantaloupe, a banana, some of this, which I would highly not recommend. I guess this, yeah, these are, let's just keep it in the tree where it belongs. Alright, well, thank you all so much for watching this video. And I hope you're inspired to make your own drink. And hopefully it tastes good and doesn't give you salmonella or something. So thank you all for watching. Have a good day.